A major cybersecurity incident has reportedly affected one of Apple's most important manufacturing partners. Luxshare, a key assembler of Apple products, including iPhones, AirPods, Apple Watch, and Vision Pro, has allegedly been targeted by a ransomware group. According to cybersecurity reports, attackers claim to have stolen more than 1 terabyte of confidential data and are threatening to release sensitive product designs. In this video, we break down what is known so far, what data may be involved, and why this incident could have serious implications for the global tech supply chain. Luxshare is a major electronics manufacturing company based in Shenzhen, China. The company employs more than 200,000 people and generates tens of billions of dollars in annual revenue. Over the past few years, Luxshare has become one of Apple's most critical suppliers, especially as Apple diversified its manufacturing partners beyond Foxconn. Luxshare plays a key role in assembling iPhones, AirPods, Apple Watch, and Apple Vision Pro devices. According to cybersecurity researchers, Luxshare was allegedly attacked by the ransomware group known as RansomHub. The attack reportedly took place on December 15, 2025. The group claims it exfiltrated more than 1 terabyte of internal data from Luxshare's systems. RansomHub has accused Luxshare's IT department of attempting to conceal the breach and is reportedly demanding a ransom payment. If their demands are not met, the attackers claim they will sell or publicly release the stolen information. Sample files released by the attackers suggest the stolen data may include highly sensitive engineering materials. These reportedly cover projects dated between 2019 and 2025. The leaked materials allegedly include 3-dimensional CAD models, parasolid geometry files, 2-dimensional technical drawings, and engineering PDFs. In addition, electronic schematics, printed circuit board layouts, and manufacturing files such as Gerber and DWG formats were reportedly exposed. Some documents also describe device repair processes and production workflows. Beyond technical data, the attackers claim to have obtained personal information belonging to Luxshare engineers. This reportedly includes names, job titles, and professional email addresses. While there's no indication of financial or consumer data exposure, the leak of employee information raises concerns for targeted phishing and social engineering risks. RansomHub claims the stolen data involves designs linked not only to Apple, but also to other major technology companies. These reportedly include Apple, Nvidia, LG, and Tesla. If authentic, such data could be used for reverse engineering, counterfeit production, or future supply chain attacks. However, at this stage, none of the affected companies have publicly confirmed the authenticity of the leaked materials. RansomHub is a relatively new ransomware group that reportedly emerged in 2024. Cybersecurity firms describe it as one of the most active ransomware operations, with hundreds of claimed victims worldwide. The group typically uses data theft combined with extortion, a strategy designed to pressure companies into paying ransoms. If the leaked data is confirmed as genuine, the incident could have serious implications for the global electronics supply chain. Potential risks include intellectual property loss, increased counterfeit products, and tighter security requirements for manufacturing partners. The situation highlights how deeply cybersecurity is now connected to hardware production and global logistics. As of now, neither Luxshare nor Apple has officially confirmed or denied the breach. Cybersecurity analysts caution that investigations are ongoing and that early claims should be treated carefully. More clarity is expected as more independent verification of the leaked data continues. This incident serves as a reminder that cybersecurity risks extend far beyond software companies. As hardware supply chains grow more complex, protecting sensitive design and manufacturing data has become a critical priority. We will continue to follow verified updates as more information becomes available.